Understanding, in pole position, unraveling idiomatic expressions in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idiomatic expressions. Specifically, we're going to explore what it means to be in pole position. This phrase is not just about sports. It's a vibrant part of everyday English that can add flair to your conversations. So, let's get started and discover the essence of this intriguing expression. In pole position has its roots in the world of auto racing. In racing, the pole position is the starting spot at the front of the grid, awarded to the fastest qualifier. It's considered the most advantageous position at the start of a race. This concept of being in the best or leading position has been adopted into everyday language, symbolizing a place of advantage or a leading stance in various contexts. When we say someone is in pole position, we're metaphorically suggesting they are in the best place to succeed or lead in a competition. It's not limited to sports. This phrase can be applied to various scenarios. For example, in a business context, a company with the most innovative product might be said to be in pole position in the market. It's a versatile expression that conveys the idea of having a significant advantage or a leading edge. Let's look at some examples to see how in pole position can be used in everyday conversation. 1. Job opportunities. With her extensive experience and skills, Jane is in pole position for the managerial role. 2. Academics. After scoring top grades, he is in pole position to receive the scholarship. 3. Competitions. Their team is in pole position to win the championship this year. These examples demonstrate how the phrase can be adapted to various contexts, emphasizing a position of advantage or leadership. It's important to note that in pole position does not imply that success is guaranteed. It simply means having the best starting point or advantage, but the outcome still depends on subsequent efforts and circumstances. Avoid confusing it with phrases that suggest assured success, like a sure win. In summary, being in pole position is all about having a leading edge or a significant advantage. It's a dynamic expression borrowed from the world of racing, now widely used across different contexts. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and usage of in pole position. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be in pole position in your English language journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.